Hello guys, and welcome again to my vlog. This is Teacher Jess. Meron pala kami dito guys na Christmas party with my proyektong 3-piece family. And for that, meron kaming gathering na kung saan kami ay nagkita-kita together with my video talents, content editors, tsaka yung mga technical. Siyempre sa aming pinakamagandang proponent ng proyektong ito. Sama rin ang iba pang mga kasapi. Then after opening program, we prepared presentations in every group. At ito yon mga guys.
Slow. Come with me. Walk with me. Tip, tippy toe. Lazily, lazily over the ground. Whispering, whispering, whirling around. Whoosh, 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 says the wind. Whoosh, go fast. Rush with me, gust with me, feel my cold blast. Play with me, chase with me. Come now and race with me. Willingly, thrillingly, blow and be free. The voice of the wind go round and round, round and round, round and round. The voice of the wind go round and round in a circle long. The voice of the wind go round and round, round and round, round and round. The voice of the wind go round and round in a circle long. Team Gemma and the Project 3-piece, Project 3-piece, Project 3-piece. Team Gemma and the Project 3-piece, smart and talented. Team Gemma and the Project 3-piece, Project 3-piece. Team Gemma and the Project 3-piece, smart and talented.
Ayan mga guys, so every team has a presentation to be presented. Siyempre kami naman na team is meron din kaming na-render na presentation. Actually, we are second to perform pero inuna ko na lang yung muna sa ibang team. Kasi yung sa amin is parang on the spot yung dating. Pero it's okay, nag-enjoy talaga kami sa mga presentation na ginawa namin. Ika nga nila as a teacher, we need to be ready at all times. So ayan mga guys, at i-fast forward na natin, baka maubusan tayo ng speech. And I think we are in 6 teams na nag-perform.
Nagiging modelo ng positibong pag-uugali. Energizing. Nagdadala ng positibong enerhiya at saya sa bawat sitwasyon. Ma'am Merly, maraming salamat sa biyaya.
After nila magbigay ng meanings sa pangalan ni Ma'am Merly, then they went to dance. I thought tapos na yung kanilang presentation, yun pala meron pa palang dance. So ayan mga guys, at i-fast forward na natin yung kanilang presentation, baka maubusan na naman tayo ng speech. So every presentation guys, nakakatawa and very jolly yung mga teachers.
Tatlong katasa ang ginakaptan ko. Mabugat, mamagaan, hindi pareho. Ugaling ang isa, tangan kadelikado. Kung mahulog, mabuga, tudo-tudo. Tapos na.
So after the intro mga guys, ay nagkaroon din sila ng dance presentation. Tong team na ito is Team France. At maaaliw ka talaga sa grupong ito. Kasi aside sa jokes, they are entertainers. So fast forward na natin mga guys ang kanilang dance presentation. So after them, they are the last to perform. Pero in-insert ko lang yung aming presentation kasi kami yung number 2. Pero dito sa aking edition of my video, syempre kami yung last na magpe-perform kasi ako naman yung editor. That's all about guys, our program, and I'll see you on my next vlog. See ya!